And since we don't have live stream now, I know that there is money on live stream, but I have to rest mentally and physically. So, we have to take care of our mental health rather than continuing on things that give us financially, but it also breaking us inside. So right now, I just have to have a rest. Then I will go back when I'm fully okay, when my heart is already healed. Rainbow. Hi everybody! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So by the way, I'm Jella. I'm a Filipino vlogger from the Philippines, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog, guys, I will going to give you an update again here in my dream home. So the update right now, guys, is I will show you all the electricity things that my electrician doing. And here, ta-da! So this is the expensive bit here when you do electricity installing, especially doing the um, wiring, all the sockets. So here in Philippines, we have different prices. So for the lights, it is, if you go to a very professional one, I think in the electrical engineer thing, they will ask you for around 500 or more or less 500 pesos per lights and per socket. I think the socket is a little bit expensive, I think, or cheaper than the lights. But here, since the electrician is just a cousin to my sister-in-law, so he gave me for around 250 per socket and also 250 per lights. So building a home, it is very expensive, and doing the electrical thing, it is very expensive. Just for the materials, I've shared this on the previous video, it is around 40,000 plus. And then the lights, guys, when you install that, that's different, also different price. It is so expensive, but this is what they're doing right now. And here they put this one because we're gonna put lights here. So we have lights here like a native bamboo. Then these are, I think this is for the, what do you think, what is this for, brother? Switch. There's so much things here inside, guys, especially the wood. So we put here inside because we have to preserve all the woods, and it was very messy here in the front of the house, and we have to make sure that it is clean because I'm starting to do gardening here, and I will show you the garden, guys, after we are done here inside. These are the boxes of the electrical wires. These are, what the name of this, wire and cables. So this is the expensive part, 4,700 each. So expensive, and I had to have maybe 6 or 9. Imagine that, guys. All the pipes, so these pipes were using this for the comfort room, and I think this is going to the septic tank. No, yeah, it is going to the septic tank. And we still have a bamboos here. So these are all the bamboo, guys. I don't know if we can use this because we need 10 foot, but this one is only around 6 or 7 foot. That's only 7. So I'm gonna order bamboo in Darwin. Yes. Right now, I am focusing on my vlog, not on the live stream anymore, because I want to rest on live stream and interacting people in public or through live stream. So I want to have privacy right now and doing focusing on content. So if you're watching this video, guys, I'm hoping that you will help me by clicking the like because that is very important. That really helps me a lot. Yes. So let's move here outside. Oh, no, wait lang. Oh, they already started this one. Look, this is where socket, This is for the socket. Yes, that's for the socket. Look at the socket. It's already installed though. So I have two sockets here because this is gonna be the television area, and that's the living area. So yeah, we have gonna have a couch here in the future. Then I'm so happy that they put that. Wow, there so much light, so much wires in there, guys. Look at that. because I have 33 lights here. And these are the boxes. Look at the boxes here, the channels. Yes. And this is the main breaker. This is the main breaker. So here in my room only, I have 6 lights. 2 in the head part, then 2 on the foot part, then we have, yeah, head of the bed. Then here we have 1 lights here. So when I get in the room, I can just turn on the lights. And then we have a light. All right, so here outside right now, there is no porch yet. And at least it is clean now. But soon, hopefully, guys, we can finish all the finishing. So hopefully soon we can finish the finishing. And we are doing here on this side. That side is already done. Here is already done. Then here outside, ta-da! Actually, this is a very big mistake because supposed to be this one is up to the flooring only. But this is the flooring. So the wood panel should start from here. This one, it is plain because we put porch. So this one can be hidden. And here, there should be plain because guys, I'm gonna put bamboo. I decided to put bamboo up to here. That it looks better. But when I got here, I didn't visit here for 2 days. This is what happened now. This is the problem if you're not here. So you have to be here all the time to make sure everything is right, because when you're not here, everything will change. Um, Everything will change based on their preferences and opinion. So I have two workers left here, guys. So this one should be plain, but since they already started that, I told them just do like that until down to the ground. Yes. So this, it takes a lot of time, really. This one, they finished this for 1 day up to here. Do you think is that reasonable? They finished from here to here, that's 1 day. And now they finished this half day. I'm staying here since morning. So I don't know if it's reasonable, guys. So this one and here, that's 1 day. So from here, it's half day. I don't know what's the matter of it, but maybe they have a reason why. This part, we just continue all the lines through here, and then upper, guys, that's all plain finishing only. And right now we have a new delivery for a sand and gravel. No, it's only sand. When you're doing finishing, you don't need a sand, you don't need a gravel. And for the prices of sand here in the mountain right now, or here in the province, it is around, it's 550 per cubic. Yes, that's the cheapest one, guys. The mixer, it's so expensive to rent this every day, 1,000 pesos a day. So they will send this back soon because they have to do some, the owner wants to do some mixing cement, and they will send it back here when they're done. We already door jamb, that's a door jamb, and we're gonna put a window jamb there, that's for the sink. So here soon they will do the finishing. It takes long time, guys, because we only have 2 workers. That's the only thing I can afford. And since we don't have live stream now, I know that there is money on live stream, but I have to rest mentally and physically. So we have to take care of our mental health rather than continuing on things that give us financially, but it also breaking us inside or mentally. Yeah, so right now I just have to have a rest, then I will go back when I'm fully okay, when my heart is already healed and I am ready to face everyone. Already finished the finishing, so this is gonna be my balcony, and we have a socket here, charging port, so that when I sit down here we have a socket, and another socket over there. I don't know, I think that's a switch, and this is socket, right? Finished. That's plain only, guys. No wood panel there because we will put a balcony. So that's gonna be hidden in the future. And this one we put a another set of another blocks of hollow blocks because the size of our door here, it's gonna be 240 inches for the door. So I'm gonna put a sliding door glass one, sliding door glass. And the border is color brown. It should be wood. But if we cannot find a wood one, we can put a border that is color brown, but it's metal. You can see all the wood panel is done. And this one will gonna be removed soon. This is not the right one, guys. If you put a bamboo and your house is big, you're not using this kind of bamboo strip, small one. So you have to use the big one, the whole one, and you cut it twice or half. You cut it half, then put in there so that it looks like a real bamboo. But this one, it looks like a bamboo floor. It's no good. I don't like it, guys. Actually, it's a big disappointment that, and I spend a lot of money for that. Spending for the workers, 1 week, 1 week doing the skinless, yeah, removing the skin of the bamboo, then preparing the bamboo. It takes 1 week, and they install that. It's crazy. It's more than a week, and I have to take that off for very reasonable reason. I don't like it. Here, everything will change based on their preferences. So the reason why they did that, because the bamboo is like this, and they said there's no chance for this to put that in half on the wall because it's gonna be um curve, or there's something there's something big in the middle, big gap, so it's no good. That's what they said. But if they informed that to me before installing that, for sure I can find a solution. But now we cannot find a solution. All we have to do is to remove that. This is our goat house. Actually, they have my brother. Oh, you almost finished this. Yee, congratulations. He almost finished putting this one. So we are using this, a palm tree leaves. The palm leaves, guys. Look. How much is this? 200 pesos per 100 pieces. Yeah. So only 200 pesos per 100 pieces, guys. This is my goat. You know what? She gained so much weight when she stayed here. She's very hardworking mower. Girls mower. You're so cute. And we have two here. That's Winky. Ay! Winky and Barney. Hala, Barney, I think it's too hot for her. Her breathing is too fast. And I will show you guys now the ginger farm. So this is our ginger area. It's not that a lot. Some of it is dead and some of it is alive. So those are the gingers. Gingers until there. This is our ginger. So I will arrange everything when everything is done here. I already did the AI how it looks like the garden, so I will start the garden soon since I'm not doing live stream. So I'll be focusing on the garden. And this is the house looks like further. Look, and with our goat a goat house. All right, so I will show you here in front, and this is how it looks like right now. There is less trash now. Potato right now. Ooh, it looks pretty now. I thought my sweet potato won't survive because so many woods here during the mahogany wood delivery. But look at now. It looks better. And I will show you here the garden. These are all chemicals like solignum to treat the wood. So we put here. There's few left. Little left. And this is the new garden. Ay, bilat. The new garden right now. Do you know what are these? These are all eggplants. So we put this one to protect from heats because we just transferred this. Oh, shy. I'm gonna do like that maybe. Look, it's so pretty. These are all the eggplants I've been seedling 2 months ago. Perfect, and I love it. So I'm gonna add more vegetables soon, and we can also build a chicken coop hopefully soon because I'm not doing live stream anymore. I can focus on gardening and farming. Yeah, maybe it will helps me heal from everything. And here is clean now. We did the clearing the grasses. So I bought also a mower. Look at the mower. Look at that. That's our electrician. And Ate is cleaning our garden. Sweet potato garden. Ta-da! At least it's almost clean here now. It's not like before, it's too messy. They're still messy here, I will remove that. We have so many chickens here, guys. Look at the chickens around. And the dog, this is the dog that we adopted months ago. Look at that. It's so healthy now. Look at his skin. That's Rainbow, guys. so sweet. And they're trying to figure out the mower. I bought that for $20. So it's afternoon, guys, and this is the update. It's not finished yet. They're still here. But at least they finished from here to here, not this one only. Alright guys, thank you so much for all your love and support, and hopefully you like this video, and I'll see you next time. So by clicking the like, it really helps this video so much, and hopefully we can do more video as soon as possible. Alright, I love you all and God bless you everybody. Bye!